Hi, this is Professor Kramer, and I'm going to walk you through the Unit 2 Netiquette and Email assignment. The first thing you want to do is go into your course and click on the Unit 2 link. Then scroll down the page until you see Unit 2 Assignment, Netiquette and Email. Here you will see attached files, Unit 2 Complete Instructions, and Grading Rubric. You want to click on this to open the file and download it. When you do that, you'll be able to open it and see the instructions. If the file is opened, you will see the header, Unit 2 Assignment, Netiquette and Email, and then you will see the instructions here. The instructions include emailing your instructor, and then within the email there are several requirements for you to complete. A subject line, a salutation, the body of the email with 2 paragraphs, a closing, and a signature. To get to your email, you'll go back to the student portal and you'll click where it says click here, Office 365. Over to the left, you'll see all the apps that are available in Office 365. You want to click where it says Outlook. Next, you'll see the New Message button, and this is what you want to click to start your email to your instructor. Click New Message, type my email, which is ekramer@instructor.post.edu. Next, you want to add a subject line, and as the requirements noted, the subject line is email, netiquette, assignment. Next, you want to follow the instructions from the document you opened, and you want to type your greeting, your body of the email in 2 paragraphs, your closing, and your salutation. I have already pre-typed mine, so I'm just going to put that in here as an example. So something like, hello, Professor Kramer. Here you would describe your computer skills and your greatest strengths, the technology skills you can improve upon, and something interesting about yourself. Your closing can be something like best regards, sincerely, whatever you'd like, and then you would type your first and last name. Next, you would click Send to send me the email. Once you have sent the email, you're going to go back into our course, click on Unit 2, scroll down again to the assignment, click on the name of the assignment. In the right submission button, click here, type the word complete, and then hit the submit button to submit the assignment for grading. It is very important that you do this last step. This is the only way I can grade your assignment. I cannot grade your assignment from email, so you must submit the assignment in Blackboard, and all you need to do is type complete and hit submit. So that's all you need to do for Unit 2, and I hope these instructions were helpful for you.